When it comes to selling, the truth is it's not about you or your solution. It's about your customer and their problem. To be a great salesperson, no matter the market climate, you'll need to master the art of selling without selling. First, start with your customer and then work back to your solution rather than the other way around. To do this, you'll need a deep understanding of your customer and their challenges, the type of understanding you can only get with Similarweb Sales Intelligence. Let me show you. For this example, I'll pretend I'm a US enterprise salesperson at an ad platform called StackAdapt, and that our main competitors are Outbrain and Taboola, meaning I'm looking for sites that are using ads to bring in referral traffic, but struggling to do so using my competitors. Let's start by creating our lead list under Find New Leads in the left sidebar. I'm gonna breeze through this targeting stuff so we can get to the selling part, but if you want more detail, you'll definitely wanna check out our video on generating a lead list. So under website type, I'll pick digital advertisers, and maybe I'm focused on consumer verticals like fashion and style, apparel, and beauty and personal care. I'll select those. Then because my sales territory is the United States, I'll pick that too. Now here's the juicy part. I wanna find companies with big websites that are struggling to bring in referral traffic using ad platforms other than the one we sell, right? So I'll head to the traffic and engagement filters, first filtering on the amount of traffic to help ensure we get enterprise level leads. Then under marketing channels, I'll filter to only include websites who are getting more than 2% of traffic from referrals, but less than 5%, meaning they're doing some referral activities, but showing room for improvement. And then we need to make sure they're using competitor ad platforms and not ours. So we'll head back to website filters and include websites that are using Taboola or Outbrain, and exclude those that are already using StackAdapt. Now I have an incredibly relevant list of leads who I know have a problem that my solution can help fix. By clicking on a website, we get a very useful overview of the site, its performance trends, contacts, and the insights generator, which is the key tool for identifying areas of opportunity in your target accounts. In the insights generator, I can go to referrals and quickly see a nice visual of how Ralph Lauren is performing versus its competitors in terms of referrals, lagging way behind. Meaning our insight is, Ralph Lauren is lagging way behind in terms of referral traffic versus competitors, and StackAdapt can help. I can either reference this data live in a sales meeting, or by clicking Email Me, I can get it delivered to me in a convenient format for sending over to my prospect. In summary, I hope you see how Similarweb Sales Intelligence enables you to bring insights to the table so that you can show your prospects that 1, you understand their competitive landscape, 2, you grasp the challenges they face in this landscape, and 3, you are best positioned to provide both the solution and the expertise they need to tackle their challenges. You'll be closing more deals in no time. Want to see the value Similarweb Sales Intelligence can bring to your sales team? Book a demo today.